I train in Blacksburg and Roanoke, and for these next 2 weeks I will be training Louie. Louie's a 7-month-old Labrador. Louie has some problems with pulling on leash, jumping on people, mounting, counter surfing, picking things up off the ground, chewing on leash, and he knows some of his basic foundational commands. He knows like sitting down in low distraction environments, so we're definitely going to work on those. But good temperament overall, super playful dog. I'm really excited to see how this goes. So I want to show you guys what he can do right now and what we need to work on for these next 2 weeks. Louie, sit. Hey. No, none of that. Louie, sit. All right. Louie. Hey, sit. Louie, sit. Hey. Louie, sit. Good boy. Right. Good. Good. Good boy. Good. You know down. Louie. He knows bite. Chomp. Louie, down. Hey, Louie, down. Louie. He's on the leash. Louie, down. Okay, let's see if he knows place. No way. Louie, place. Louie, place. Good boy. Good. Good. Good job. Louie, place. Place. Good boy. Louie, sit. Louie, sit. Okay. Let's see how his recall looks. Let's this way, buddy. Oh. Louie, come. Come. Good. Good boy. Try it again. Louie, come. Come. Good boy. Good. 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 All right, let's see if he knows heel. All right, Louie. Just got to deal with it. There we go. Louie, heel. Heel. Come on. Good heel. Heel. Good boy. Good. Looks like he wants to jump on me. Good boy. All right, there you have it. You've seen what he can do right now. I'll check back in 2 weeks and show you what he looks like afterwards.
being trained so that he can have an enriched life and go places with us. And so far from what we've seen in the 2 weeks, Devin made us feel really great with sending videos and pictures, and Louie looked good, and he looked like he was making great progress. And then from the 2 hours we've spent today, we can see how much progress he's made, and just can't wait and know that it's more than we even expected. And so thankful for Off Leash for giving us this opportunity. Now we just have to work on training ourselves and knowing the way to make him be the best dog and build off of what Off Leash has done for us. So we're super, super appreciative, and thank you so much, Devin, and we hope to see you around.